This is Cathy Harris. My website is cathyharrisinternational.com. Our organic food movement website is virtualorganicgardenclubs.com. Welcome to my backyard. And you can see my food is looking great. It's coming along. Everything is coming along quite nicely out here. Last week we had a big harvest of Swiss chard, a very, very big harvest. So again, everything is growing really, really well. This week we got another harvest of Swiss chard that will be coming up. And you can see there, it's only got a few more days before I need to come out here and pick that. So that's getting ready to come up. That's my teenagers. That's that row that I had trouble with. They are all grown up now. Look at them. Look how green and beautiful they look. They are all grown up. I am so proud of them. Now over here, this row will be ready to harvest at the end of the week probably. So again, this food grows really, really well. Now I wanted to go over here and show you my cucumbers. Wow, the cucumbers are really coming along. They are getting ready to harvest too, so I have to keep my eye on my cucumbers. Look how big the cucumbers are. Oh my God, look how big they are. Look here, I've had 2 big cucumbers here. Ooh, look at the size of these cucumbers. Wow. Yeah, it looks like the cucumbers are ready to be harvested. This was my problem garden, but look how good it's growing now. The spinach is growing really, really well, and it's almost ready to harvest too. Once I start harvesting the spinach, it's one of those foods that actually grows back too pretty quick. So looks like the spinach is going to be ready to harvest soon. Now let's go over there and look at the watermelons. Let's see how they are coming. Wow, they're coming along. Again, these are the sugar babies. They're called sugar baby watermelons. They're the little small watermelons, but they are so sweet. I wanted to show you the update on the tomatoes. Now, we are getting a lot more tomatoes since I started pruning. Since I started pruning the tomatoes, we are getting a lot more tomatoes. Come over here and look at these over here in the back here.